Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if this is your first time. Today we're going to be doing an install of these Lasfit LED tail lights for my 2022 Ford Maverick. I've done some of their LED products before. I've done their reverse lights, I've done their cargo lights and third brake light. Today we're doing the 4 tail lights. Now this is your turn signal, brake light, and regular running lights. You will need 2 sets of these. You can get these off of their website using the code I'll have in the description. But these are the TWT21WR tail lights for the 2022 Ford Maverick, and of course probably the 23 when that comes out. But this is another one of those really easy installs. All you need is an 8mm socket, or you can use a screwdriver to take the tail lights off. There's 2 screws on each side. Real easy to take them out and put these in. Let's go ahead and get started on it. Like I said, folks, there's just these 2 screws right here that you need to take out, 2 on each side, obviously. I'm using an extension because I got the tailgate assist. All right, now that the 2 screws are out, you're going to go ahead and pop this out. There's also 2 spots where it's just pushed into the side here. Like I said, those are the 2 spots that are just pushed into the side of the body here. Now what we're going to want to do is unscrew the top and the bottom bulbs. Real easy to turn on, honestly. They're not a hard job to do at all. Okay, folks, I'll try to show you the best way I can. Like I said, you just take these. They should turn out really easily, as long as I turn them in the right direction. And also, too, folks, to make it a little easier to get this top one out, I loosened this here. This is just a clip-on that holds the wiring to the back of the light, but it gave me a little bit more room to work, and voila, it came out. It is cold out today, so everything's a little tighter trying to get it out. And just pull the stock bulb out like that. Set that aside. We'll go ahead and grab the new Lasfit bulb. And you cannot install these Lasfit bulbs wrong. They just snap right in the same way. Make sure they're clicked in there all the way. And you're going to do this for all 4 of them. Go ahead and push that back down in there again. There is a tab to line up in there, but once you have it in there, go ahead and lock it down and do the next one. But these turn back this way to lock in, they turn that way to unlock to pull the bulb out. Let's go ahead and do the bottom one now. See if I can get this one loosened up pretty good. I am going to try and get this wire harness unhooked from there again and give me a little bit more room to work. They did not give you a lot of room at Ford to wiggle these out. Again, you're just pulling the bulb out like this. And like I said, you can't put the Lasfit bulbs in the wrong way. They only go in one way. Or you could put them the other way. Like I said, it really doesn't matter. These bulbs are error-free bulbs. They just snap in. Make sure they snap in too, so you're all set. Put them back in and we'll test it out to make sure this side's okay, and then we'll do the other side. All right, before I put the screws in, I'm going to do a quick test. I'm actually just going to hit my key fob just to make sure the lights flash. Looks like they're working okay. And of course, as you're tightening these down, don't over torque them. You are screwing into plastic. You do not want to crack these. You will probably have a hard time trying to replace these if you destroy the plastic lights on these. Maverick parts are really hard to come by. Actually, I'll go ahead and show you the difference right now. We're still in the daylight, so it's going to be hard to tell, but I still have the stock on the right side and the Lasfit on the left. You can see a significant difference already. Just wait till I show you what it looks like at nighttime. All right, I'll actually show you. It's easy too. If you decide to do it this way, to pull the wire harness off, all you got to do is squeeze it and pull it out, and that's it. And now it's a lot easier to take this light apart if you want to work in a warm garage. All right, folks, that was pretty easy install. Let me check both lights one more time. Looks like all of them are working. come back after dark and we'll do a side-by-side comparison of the before and the after on these. Alright folks, thanks for tuning into my channel when I install these LED lights from Lasfit, the tail lights. Go ahead and check out the other videos I've done for Lasfit. I've done all the other bulbs. You can buy all these bulbs as a kit too for the 2022 Ford Maverick. You can also buy Lasfit bulbs for any application pretty much, Toyota, Chevy trucks, whatever. These are really easy to install, folks. They're not cheap. They're made really well. Go ahead and click on the link in the description. Save yourself some money by putting the code in that I have here. Thanks for tuning in. I'll be back for more of these. Bye for now.